This video is divided into 4 steps to help you fully understand and use Ideogram AI. 1. What is Ideogram AI? 2. Its unique features. 3. A hands-on tutorial on the website. 4. Why it's trending globally. So, stick with me as we break it all down. Step 1. What is Ideogram AI? A tool that can instantly transform your ideas into professional visuals or streamline creative workflows. That's what Ideogram AI does. It's a cutting-edge platform that's changing how we think about creativity. Whether you're a designer, marketer, or just curious, this tool has something for everyone. Step 2. Unique features of Ideogram AI. Let's talk about what makes Ideogram AI stand out. 1. Text-to-image magic. Instantly turns simple text prompts into stunning visuals. 2. Versatile applications. Perfect for branding, marketing, or personal projects. 3. Ease of use. A user-friendly interface that anyone can navigate effortlessly. It's fast, reliable, and learns your unique preferences, making every output truly yours. Here's how you can use Ideogram AI step by step. 1. Visit the website. Go to www.ideogram.ai. You'll notice a clean, easy-to-navigate homepage. 2. Sign up or log in. Create your free account to unlock all features. 3. Explore the text-to-image tool. Type something like, "a serene beach at sunrise," and watch the AI create a beautiful visual. 4. Customize your image. Use the editing tools to adjust colors, lighting, or add textures. 5. Save or share. Download your image in high resolution or use it directly in your projects. It's that simple to bring your ideas to life. Step 4. Why is Ideogram AI trending? AI are skyrocketing, and here's why. It's revolutionizing how people create and innovate. From businesses enhancing their branding to individuals crafting unique visuals, it's a tool that works for everyone. Have you tried it yet? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on amazing AI tools. We're diving into the future together, and you don't want to miss out. That's all for today's exploration of Ideogram AI. If you have questions or want a detailed tutorial, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and let AI lead the way. See you soon.